nagbigayan.
Yes, sir.
Mark money, item. Tama? O ba't pinatukan mo yung subject?
Una po yung kapatid ko po.
Okay. Pagdating na naunang kapatid mo, so pagdating mo, nandun na yung kapatid mo.
Opo.
Okay. Pagdating mo, nandun na ba yung mga pulis?
Halos sabay-sabay po kami. Dalawang kotse po sila eh. Parang
Halos sabay.
Opo.
Okay.
Sabay-
So si Perez kanina is claiming na may nangyaring bypass. Ano ba nakita mo? Nag-usap muna sila ni Perez o
Wala po ako nakita po. Sabay-sabay po kami dumating. Tapos po,
Tapos?
bigla po siyang bumaba ng kotse. Sabay binaril na po yung kapatid ko.
kotse, hindi motor?
Hindi po. Wala po ako nakitang motor kundi po yung sa akin tsaka yung sa kapatid ko.
Oh, wala palang motor, kotse daw.
Dalawang kotse po sila.
Perez. Sabi mo kanina may motor ka. Perez, tinatanong kita.
Yes, Your
sandali,
Honor.
excuse Mr. Chairman, may I ask that lady? At your back?
Yes, Congressman Paduanoy. What about that lady?
Good afternoon.
Sing.
Good afternoon, sir. Your Honor. Good afternoon, Chairperson, and to the members. I approached the Secretariat a while ago and introduced my name. I am Attorney Rotzi Laurino Bermejo, and I will tell them that I will be sitting at the back, sir. So I'm just asking Michi to answer you, sir, because apparently...
No, but you cannot coach. You know?
I didn't coach, sir. I didn't.
Oh, why you are telling them her to answer me?
I asked her to... please
Now,
answer.
what is your personality in this hearing?
Oh, no, sir. I just asked her to answer you.
No,
sir.
no, I ask you, what is your personality in this
Oh,
hearing?
I don't have, sir. That's why I asked
So you don't have?
permission. Yes, sir.
So you don't have business here?
I assist the San Juan Police Station.
Oh, you assist. You're the
Yes.
counsel.
Yeah, yes, sir. I assist.
Oh,
them
you should
today.
present yourself in this committee, not hiding at the back. Second, let me remind you, attorney, if the chairman will not allow you to give advices to your clients, you cannot.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
You understand, but you never tell us that you go.
I went
No,
to the
in this committee,
secretariat.
not in the secretariat.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, sir.
Were you invited by this committee to be present on today's hearing?
No, sir. I was
Oh,
not.
why are you here? Who invited you over?
The San Juan Police Station, sir.
No.
Who hired you to be a part of their team?
It was the police station of San Juan.
Police station, because the police station is being
sorry,
represented by the new chief of police, ha?
Sir,
Hindi siya.
Sir Lingan and the rest.
So
sir.
you were hired by Colonel Tay Layag to be his personal counsel.
Yes, sir. I was
But
requested, Mr. Chair.
you did not inform the committee or the COMSEC about your presence on today's hearing.
I informed the secretariat a
Who?
while ago, sir.
Who among us?
Over there.
Na-inform ba kayo?
I am so sorry, but I informed them a while
Ngayon lang.
ago.
Oo.
Ma'am, yes, sir, sorry.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, but nevertheless, please, if you whisper or say something on those invited resource speakers, you ask the permission of the chair.
I understand.
Otherwise, in the next time, we will putting you outside of this committee hearing. Okay? Go ahead,
I
Congressman.
understand perfectly, Your Honor.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, attorney.
Thank you, sir. Sorry.
Perez. O yun. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes, sir.
O anong yes, sir?
May motor, sir.
May motor. Now you still stand na may motor.
Yes, sir.
Kanino motor yon?
Sa Alpa, sir.
Sa Alpa mo. And you will not tell this committee your Alpa.
Sir?
You will not tell this committee who is your Alpa. Tama?
Yes, sir. I can
Okay.
tell, sir.
Pupunta natin yan sa next hearing. Kasi tatagal tayo dyan. Anyway, ganito. Sa statement mo kanina, sabi mo, na-consummate yung bypass. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes po.
Okay. So, nagbigayan.
Yes, sir.
Mark money, item. Tama? O ba't pinatukan mo yung subject?
Sir, mas nauna niya po akong pinutukan.
Hindi nga, ang tanong nga, ba't puputukan ka ng subject? Na-consummate ang bypass eh. Kung nagdududa sa'yo, yung subject nyo, dapat hindi na-consummate yung bypass, nagkabarila na. Oh, Di ba? And, alam mo, Perez, hindi ako investigador, si chairman na ako pa investigador, pero nakakaintindi rin ako konti sa investigasyon. Tsaka, chairman, tingnan mo ha. Sinasabi niya kanina, mas mabuti sana sinabi mo na hindi na-consummate. Kasi kung na-consummate, walang reason na paputukan ka ng subject. Second, kung na-consummate yung bypass, hindi kayo magkalayo nun. At saka nagkaputukan. Kasi, paano makonsummate ang isang bagay kung 5 meters yung distance nyo? Magbibigayan ba kayo in 5 meters? O ilagay mo dyan, yung pera, ilagay ko dito yung items. Ganon ba? Hindi. In short, kung na-consummate yung transaction, kadikit mo yun. At the very least, yung distance nyo is only 1 meter. Not 5 meters. Oh, Perez, sa mga pulis, alam nyo, hindi pa tayo tapos. No? In the next hearing, baka madagdag kayo dyan. Tsaka alam ni RD yung record ko ha. As a private citizen, as a congressman, alam ni RD kung paano ko sumuporta sa pulis. Pag tama kayo, titindigan kayo dito sa Congress. Pero pag mali kayo, pasensyahan tayo dito. Sa ngayon pa lang, alam ko nagsisinungaling ka, Perez. And I have to ask again, yung mga kasamaan mo dyan, pati yung investigador nyo. Kasi 5 lang naman kayo, di ba? Nag-operate?
Yes,
Tama?
Sir. Yes, Your Honor.